Diddy radio contest winner sues for sexual assault. Pics from trip included in lawsuit. Sean Diddy Combs, the music mogul and entrepreneur, is facing yet another legal battle involving allegations of sexual assault. The latest lawsuit comes from LaTroya Grayson, an Oklahoma woman and former radio contest winner. Grayson alleges that she was drugged and raped during a party hosted by Diddy in 2006. The suit not only names Diddy but also Bad Boy Records and other affiliated companies as defendants. Adding a new layer to the claims, Grayson has included photographs from the event in her legal filing, claiming they support her allegations. Grayson, who attended the party as part of a radio contest prize, says the incident occurred while she was traveling as a guest of Diddy's organization. In her lawsuit, she alleges she was drugged at the event and subsequently assaulted. However, the lawsuit does not specifically name any individuals responsible for the alleged assault, nor does it establish direct contact between Grayson and Diddy. Grayson admits in the legal documents that she has no memory of the actual events due to being incapacitated, but she asserts that the circumstances surrounding the night suggest a violation took place. The lawsuit states that the photographs included, though not publicly disclosed, are meant to corroborate her claims of attendance and to depict the environment of the party. Diddy's legal team swiftly denied the allegations. In a statement to TMZ, his attorneys said, "Mr. Combs has never sexually assaulted anyone or engaged in sex trafficking." Ms. Grayson admits she has no memory of the events alleged in her complaint, does not know who is supposedly involved, and has never spoken to Mr. Combs. Her allegations against him are pure fiction. As we've said before, Mr. Combs cannot respond to every baseless lawsuit and lawyer-driven money grab. He has faith in the judicial process, in which fact will be separated from opportunistic fabrications like these. The defense emphasized the lack of direct evidence tying Diddy to the claims, noting that Grayson herself has acknowledged significant gaps in her recollection of events. They framed the lawsuit as another unfounded attempt to capitalize on Diddy's public status and financial resources. This lawsuit is the latest in a series of allegations against Diddy, raising questions about the broader implications for his reputation and career. In recent months, Diddy has faced multiple lawsuits alleging misconduct, including claims of sexual assault and abuse. While he has categorically denied all accusations, the growing number of claims has cast a shadow over his legacy. Grayson's lawsuit is particularly notable because it involves an incident from nearly 2 decades ago. Legal experts suggest the timing could complicate the case, as memories fade, evidence becomes harder to obtain, and statutes of limitations might come into play. However, recent changes in laws across several states have extended or eliminated the statute of limitations for sexual assault cases, enabling survivors to seek justice years after the alleged events. The inclusion of photographs from the 2006 party in the lawsuit adds an intriguing element to the case. While Grayson has not publicly disclosed the images, her legal team claims they provide critical context for her allegations. It remains unclear whether the photographs will play a pivotal role in establishing liability, or if they will primarily serve as evidence of her presence at the event. Experts say that while such photographs can lend credibility to a plaintiff's claims, they are unlikely to serve as conclusive proof in the absence of other corroborating evidence. The legal process will ultimately determine the weight of these images in the broader context of the case. As news of the lawsuit spreads, public opinion remains divided. Some have expressed support for Grayson, arguing that survivors of sexual assault deserve the opportunity to be heard regardless of how much time has passed. Others view the lawsuit skeptically, citing the lack of direct evidence and questioning the motivations behind filing a claim nearly 18 years after the alleged incident. Social media has amplified the discourse, with many fans and critics debating whether the allegations are credible or simply another attempt to exploit Diddy's wealth and influence. The high-profile nature of the case ensures that it will remain in the spotlight as both parties prepare for legal proceedings. Diddy's legal team has made it clear they intend to fight the allegations vigorously, maintaining that the claims are baseless. Meanwhile, Grayson and her attorneys will need to provide substantial evidence to support their accusations, especially given the passage of time and the lack of specific recollections regarding the incident.